In this video, we will show how you can assign a user role and invite an existing employee to have access into the on-location system. You will need to be an administrator to be able to complete this task. To be able to decide what access or what user roles you would like this employee to have, I would suggest that you come up the top here to your help menu. Select on Visit the Help Centre and type in user roles. From here, you can click on Employee User Roles Explained. As you scroll down, you'll see here are the different user role types and what they allow each person to do. So I would suggest that you read through all of this so you can make the right decision on who and what access you need to give to this particular person. Once you've decided what access you need them to have, we'll go back into your on location homepage. We'll come up the top here to Tools and drop this down to User Roles. You'll see that there are 44 people in the system here. You can scroll up and down, you can use your next page option. If you're looking for somebody in particular, you can use the keyword search over here. If I type in Joseph and hit search, you'll see that it will find anyone named Joseph. From here, we need to give Joseph a few user roles. So we're going to select the Manage Roles option. So you'll see here we're able to go through and add these ticks in for what it is that we need Joseph to be able to do. So we would like Joseph to be an administrator. So I select here and you'll see that we have two options. A global administrator is somebody who will have access to all of your locations that are in the on-location system, or we can limit him purely to a particular location. So if I select limited and hit the drop down, you'll see here's all the options that we have. So I'd like him to have access into Suite 1. I'll just move my mouse across and click here. So far we've given him administrator access to Suite 1. We can also make him a contractor manager, and you'll see we've got those options again. So in this instance, I'll make him a manager. I'd also like him to be able to run reports, but I only want him to receive reports based on his location. And you can continue down to tick everything that you need Joseph to have. From there, once we're finished, we'll select Assign Roles. And you'll see now that the page has refreshed. Joseph now has these roles assigned to him. Once we've assigned the roles, you'll see here his account status is new. So this means that Joseph has not been invited to have access to the system. So for him to be able to do this, we do need to invite him. So we will put a tick in the box at the end of his name here. Come down to the drop down for Run an Action, and we're going to select Send Login Permission Email. From there, we'll select the Run Action button, and you'll see that Joseph would have been sent an email and his account status is now in pending. Once he receives his email and he clicks on the link and follows the steps to set up his access, he will then change into being active. Now, if I come over here to the clear search option, and I will just extend my number records by selecting the hash records and drop that down to 100 so I can see all in the one page. And you'll be able to see as you scroll along, these are the people who have got access into the system and have set themselves up. And you're also able to do the invitation process in bulk. So you could tick several people and come down to the bottom here and select that Send Login Permission Email and the Run Action.